Dear friends and students, I welcome all of you to the weekly spoken English course organized by our center GACE.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome to the weekly spoken English course. Let us learn to speak English. Week 12. In this week, we are going to learn present continuous tense, its structure and its usage, where we use the present continuous tense. And also we are going to see how we can make the negative sentences and how we can make yes or no questions and WH questions. Let's go. How do we make positive sentences? Subject, the be verb. The be verbs are in present continuous tense is, am, are. Am, is, are. I am writing a letter. He is writing a letter. We are writing a letter. Am, is, are. After that, verb ing form. Then afterwards, object. Let us see the examples. I am going to Chennai. Am going. Go plus ing. I am going to Chennai. I am reading a book. Read ing. I am reading a book. Am reading. Utsav is going to Chennai. Utsav, third person. Utsav takes is. Third person singular will take is. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. We are going to Chennai. We are. They are. Okay, you are. You are going to Chennai. They are going to Chennai. We are going to Chennai. We are reading books. We are reading books. Now, let us see the negative sentences. In the be verb and the main verb இடையில not we add. அவ்வளவுதான், not போடணும், அவ்வளவுதான். It becomes negative. Let's see. I'm going to Chennai. I am not going to Chennai. I'm reading a book. I am not reading a book. See where the not comes. Between the be verb and the main verb. Okay. Utsav is not going to Chennai. Utsav is not. The shorter number சொல்லணும்னாக்க Utsav isn't going to Chennai. Utsav isn't. The short form. Short form நம்ம அப்புறம் கற்றுக்கலாம். He is not reading a book. He isn't reading a book. He is not reading a book. We are not going to Chennai. We are not going to Chennai. We are not. Are going not in between. We are not reading books. We are not reading books. Okay. Now, how do we make this yes or no questions? Just see. And the be verbs முன்னாடி வந்துரும். So be verb முதல்ல, பிறகு subject, பிறகு verb ing form, அப்புறம் object. Very easy. You don't need to add anything. See, it is only the shifting of the be verb முன்னாடி. அவ்வளவுதான். Just shift the be verb in the front. Am I going to Chennai? Am I reading a book? Is Utsav going to Chennai? Is he reading a book? Are we going to Chennai? Are we reading a book? So, it's very, very simple. Now, why it is yes, no questions, we know already, I told you. Because the answer is yes or no. Okay. Is he going to Chennai? Yes, he is going to Chennai. Yes, he is. Okay. Are we reading a book? Yes, we are. That's all. That is yes, no questions. WH questions. Just one simple thing. Before the be verb, put WH word, question word. I told you already what are the question words. Which, where, when, how. Okay. Let's see. When I am going to Chennai. When am I going to Chennai? Why is Utsav going to Chennai? Why? உற்சவ் சென்னைக்கு ஏன் போகிறாரு? Where is he reading a book? You told me that he is reading a book. Where is he reading a book? Where is he? Where he is. Be verb he. Subject reading. How are we going to Chennai? How are we? By bus? By train? By car? Why are we reading books? Why are we reading books? Okay. So the structure is very, very important. Why? Then question word, the be verbs, and the subject, and then plus main verb with ing form. Okay? Good. When do we use the present continuous tense? What are the situations? When do we use the present continuous tense? Number one, when the action is happening just now, at this time. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm teaching present continuous tense. You are listening to the present continuous tense video clip. At present it is happening. Okay, so at the time of speaking, I'm watching TV. The person is watching TV. He is washing his clothes. He is washing his clothes. He is washing right now, just now. Okay. See the situation number two. When the action has started but not finished. It's a longer action in progress. Okay. Not necessarily that you are doing at the time of speaking. Let us see that you are reading an interesting book. எப்போ தொடங்குனீங்க? போன வாரம் தொடங்கினேன். எத்தனை பக்கம்? ஒரு 250 பக்கம் இருக்குது. வெரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். எஸ். பாதி படிச்சிருப்பீங்களா? ஓகே. த ஆக்ஷன் இஸ் ஆன். Yeah, it's a longer action. So that time also you can say, I am reading a book these days, a very interesting book. Okay. See the examples there. I'm looking for a rented house. I'm looking for a rented house. I want to stay. I'm looking for a rented house. Just now? No, not. These weeks. Okay. எத்தனை வாரம் பார்க்குறீங்க? அது ஒரு 2 வாரமாக பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கிற ஒரு வீடு. ஓகே, கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது நல்ல வீடா. ஓகே. We are painting our house. We are painting our house. Paint அடிக்கிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ நேரம் ஆகும்? ஒரு மாதம் ஆகும், இல்லை அப்படின்னா 2 வாரம் ஆகும். We are painting our house. Sharmi is studying BA. Sharmi is studying BA. She is studying her BA. Okay? Longer action. Number 3. To describe a picture that you are looking at. உங்கள்கிட்ட ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ ஒன்று இருக்குது, ஒரு பிக்சர் இருக்குது. இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து with your family you are at a restaurant. எப்போ எடுத்தது உங்கள் பர்த்டே? எத்தனை மாதத்துக்கு முன்னாடி? 6 மாதத்துக்கு முன்னாடி. ஓகே, பட் you have that picture. Now see, we are having lunch on my birthday. This, okay, you show the photo and then you talk about it, but you use present continuous tense to talk about it. Okay, any photo or picture or whatever it is. 4. To talk about something temporary that we have seen already. To talk about something temporary. For example, I am staying in my sister's house. Temporary. Maybe a week or 2 weeks, that's all. I am staying in my sister's house. Or he is working in a private school. He is working in a private school. What does it mean? That is temporary. If his job is permanent, then we'll have to use, what is that? Simple present tense. Okay, yeah. I work in a government school. Okay, that is permanent. Okay. Number 5, to talk about a situation that is changing. To talk about a situation with changing. It may increase or it may decrease, whatever the situation. In our country, population is increasing. See, population is increasing. Present continuous tense. The COVID cases are slowly decreasing. See the example. The COVID cases are slowly decreasing. Okay. So many times you listen to this video clip and then you say, my English is improving day by day. Situation. My English is improving day by day. Okay. The last one. There are also some other uses, but these are the main ones where we use continuous present tense, present continuous tense. These are the situations. So to talk about a plan that is, in near future. To talk about near future plan. What are the examples? We are going for a movie tonight. We are going for a movie tonight. And then I am flying to Chennai next week. Next week தான் அது. But ticket எல்லாம் book பண்ணியாச்சு. Date தெரியும். So sure. So to talk about the events in the future which is already fixed, then we use the present continuous tense. Okay? See this clip again and again and try to see and try to also make sentences using the same situation where you can use this present continuous tense. Okay? Practice more, then the fluency will increase. Thank you so much for watching this video clip. Nandri, Vanakkam.